So let's look at something called a balanced diet, just quickly. A balanced diet. All this means that the food that you take in should have all these things. It should have water, minerals. Now this might be salts. You could have, just say, calcium, if I can spell calcium, and other ones. Yeah, that's all we need to know for now. Water, minerals. You have carbohydrates. You have proteins, and you have lipids, right? You have vitamins, and something called fiber, or they call it dietary fiber. Right, with these you need them all in the right quantity, so you need the correct amount of each to end up with a balanced diet, and that's the key, the word balanced. Right, now what I want to show you is this. In the three main molecules, carbohydrates, these eventually are broken down or digested into glucose. Proteins are digested or broken down into amino acids. And finally, you've got lipids are broken down into or digested into two things, something called a fatty acid or fatty acids and glycerol. Alright, just make a note of these and let's have a look how they're broken down. So the two enzymes that break these down that we know, amylase and maltase, those are the two that we're familiar with. Proteins, right, there's a group of enzymes called proteases, and the two that we're familiar with is pepsin, and the other one is trypsin. Right, finally, lipids are broken down by lipases. Now it's important that you get to know all this. So let's just go through that once more.